This is my mom's recipe for microwaved chicken. And it tastes exactly like normal chicken, but it's microwaved. So here's the ingredients. This is really simple to make, and you probably have these just like lying around your house. First off, just put your chicken into a bowl. And these can be like chicken wings or chicken legs or like a combination or whatever. And then add your onion. And then add your ginger slices. Followed by the brown sugar. And then add your salt. And some honey. And here is your oil, and just sort of drizzle it around. Add the soy sauce, and they should be 3 teaspoons of it. Now mix it around really well until the sauce and the honey and everything covers all the chicken pieces equally. If you want, you can just add like a little bit of extra soy sauce. Mix it around some more. And cover it up and just let it sit for around like 30 minutes to like 50 minutes. And then once it's done like sitting around, you can just microwave it and put it in the microwave with the lid on. And you can just microwave it for around 7 to 10 minutes or so. So now it's microwaving. And after it's done microwaving, you can get it. But be careful, it's kind of hot, so you might want to wear like some gloves. So this is what the microwave chicken should look like when it's done microwaving. It tastes exactly like cooked chicken, except, well, it is cooked, but it's microwaved this time, and it's really delicious. Here it is, taken out. And you can drizzle some of the sauce over it to give it more taste. And this is what it looks like when it's done. It is really super delicious. And like I mentioned like many times before, it tastes the same, just the same as cooked chicken. I really love it. I'll probably make it when I go to college. So